I'm going to show you how to build a successful Shopify dropshipping business with just $0 in 2023. Yeah, you heard that right. $0, meaning no spending money on ads. You will start for completely free in 2023 using the strategies that I'm going to go ahead and show you right now. I've been able to start and build multiple 6- and 7-figure Shopify dropshipping businesses since 2018. So trust me when I say I know what I'm talking about. So you want to watch this entire video step by step. The advertising and marketing method that I'm going to show you in this video is a method that no other guru is talking about at all. No. This marketing method, I can guarantee you that you've probably never heard before. And if you have, it came from me. So grab your pen, paper, snack, water, whatever you need to focus and watch this video step by step. So by the end of this video, you too can go ahead and start your Shopify dropshipping business with $0. And yes, I said Shopify dropshipping because we'll be using Shopify. Okay, so here's why you should start Shopify dropshipping in 2023, because obviously you get freedom to live life on your own terms. Like you get to do whatever you want to do. As examples, I have Shopify dropshipping, my e-com brand running in the background and pretty much automated for me. So I get to do whatever I want and live life on my own terms. And I get to do this because I have money. I've made a lot of money from dropshipping. Well, I started with dropshipping, but now I have brands, you know what I mean? So with that being said, I get to live life on my own terms. After I make this video, I'm going to go to the spa, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to get my feet and my booty rubbed. You know, wait, pause, hold on. You know what I'm saying? But I can do whatever I want, okay? And then it's the only business that you can actually start with $0, okay? Now, take that part with a grain of salt, because a lot of you guys will sit there and be like, oh my God, you have to buy a domain and a domain costs $14. Well, technically, you do not have to buy a domain. Okay, especially in this day and age, a lot of people are familiar with Shopify. The regular everyday person is kind of familiar with Shopify. Okay, with that being said, if they see your name.shopify.com, that might even be better and give them more security that this is a secure website that they're shopping from. So no, you do not have to buy a domain for $14. I just would rather do that because it makes, your stuff look like a brand. But when starting out, before you start making money and before you start making sales, you do not need to buy a domain. I do not 100% recommend it. I only recommend buying the domain when you started making some sales, and let's say you profited $14, then use that $14 to buy the domain. You understand what I'm saying? So it's literally one of the only businesses that you can start with $0, and you also get to live life on your own terms. Now, what are you going to go ahead and learn today? You'll be learning how to find winning products in 2023. You will learn how to set up your $0 per month Shopify store. Okay. Now let me break that down for you. Okay. It's not going to be $0 forever. Okay. You have 30 days to get, some sales, right? So after 30 days, your Shopify plan will be around $29 or something like that. With that being said, in 30 days, you should be able to get sales with the marketing strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. Okay. If you don't get at least enough sales to make $30 profit to pay for your Shopify plan, then leave it in the comments below after 30 days and I'll help you out personally. I'll do something for you. You know what I'm saying? That's how confident I am in the marketing strategy that I'm going to show you in this video. You should be able to get 1 or 2 sales that'll pay for your Shopify plan after the 30-day free trial is over. It might be 60-day free trial. I'll try to extend it, something like that. But either way, you're going to get at least 30 days for free to make money with Shopify dropshipping. And I know you can do it. Okay. Just keep watching this video. Okay. I'll also show you my secret way to market your products for completely free. Like I just said, no one is teaching this on YouTube or anything like that. It's a strategy that I pretty much just came up with. I'm not saying the actual strategy is something that I created and invented, but I put 2 and 2 together. I'm going to come up with this marketing strategy. And the last thing you will go ahead and learn is how to fulfill your orders automatically. Now, as you know, if you're new here or if you're not new here and you've been dropshipping and trying for a year or whatever, there was an app called Oberlo. Okay, Oberlo was a way where you can fulfill your orders kind of seamlessly. But there's even a better way, a much better way that I'll show you at the end of this video to fulfill your orders. You can sort by fast shipping, everything done for you automatically, literally automatically. Okay, so stick around for that as well. This video is going to be value impact. And like I said, motherfuckers would charge you thousands of dollars for this. Now, if you don't